Bilt Hamber Touchless V2. What is it? When should you use it? And what do we think to Bilt Hamber's best-selling pre-wash product? Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through one of the best-selling pre-wash products from the range from Bilt Hamber. This is Bilt Hamber Touchless version 2. Bilt Hamber Touchless version 2 is the new and improved formula of Bilt Hamber's pre-wash product that you put on the vehicle before you go into your contact wash stage. Touchless is a super concentrated pre-cleaner that has a very short dwell time, which makes it perfect for winter use. The reason why it's such a good product for the winter use is because it breaks down road grime and salt a little better than the other pre-wash product, Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. Now, we're not saying that you can't use this product all year round. You absolutely can. All we're saying is that this product is particularly better in winter use against Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. Touchless has been formulated for an easy rinsing process, meaning that you don't have to use high pressure water such as a lance or a jet wash to remove this product off the car. You can in fact use low pressure water or a hose to remove dirt and grime and excess product off the vehicle surface. One last thing to mention before we get into the application process is that Touchless comes in at 10.5 on the pH scale, meaning that it's safer on waxes, sealants and ceramic coatings than other foams on the market such as Bilt Hamber Auto Foam, which comes in at pH 13. Now moving on to the application and dilution ratios of Touchless. What you're going to want to aim for is between 0.5 and 2% panel impact ratio. If you're not sure on panel impact ratios, that's absolutely fine. We're going to break it down really easy for you. Now, there are three methods to using Bilt Hamber Touchless. Method number one is using it through a spray bottle. When using it in a spray bottle, you're going to want to aim between 0.5 and 2% panel impact ratio. Now, in a litre bottle, that means you're going to want to use between 5 and 20 ml of product to the rest water in a 1 litre container. After you've diluted Touchless into your 1 litre container, what you want to do is spray it all over the car from top to bottom and leave it to dwell for between 2 and 4 minutes. After that, you want to rinse it off either with high pressure water or a hose just to remove the dirt and the excess product off the vehicle. Method number two is either using a high pressure sprayer or a foam sprayer. Again, you're going to want to dilute the product between 0.5 and 2% panel impact ratio, which is either going to be 5 ml or 20 ml or anywhere in between in a 1 litre container. So if you've got a 1 litre pressure sprayer like an IK sprayer, you're going to want to use between 5 and 20 ml to the rest water. Essentially, you're wanting to work out the capacity of the bottle that you've got and the percentage you want to dilute it to. So if it's 0.5% in a 1 litre bottle, you want to hit 5 ml, and if it's 2% in a 1 litre bottle, you want to go for 20 ml. Again, application is very similar to a spray bottle with a pressure sprayer. You want to put it onto the vehicle, allow it to dwell for 2 to 4 minutes, and then again rinse it with either low or high pressure water. Now, method number three is my preferred method, which is through a snow foam lance. The panel impact ratio of this product will be determined by the water flow and also the jet wash that you're using. So it is quite hard to figure out, but we will visit that in another video. Now, if you aren't able to calculate the panel impact ratio using the jet wash or the water flow rate that you've got, we always say stick with 50 ml to 950 ml of water and apply it to the full vehicle. Once you've snow foamed the full car with Touchless, again, leave it between 2 and 4 minutes to allow it to break down the dirt, and then rinse again with low pressure or high pressure water. Now, one thing to remember is that not every circumstance is exactly the same. Severity of dirt will differ from vehicle to vehicle, and we'll always say to experiment with your dilution ratios. Now, this is Touchless version 2. Bilt Hamber have actually stated you're going to use less product but get the same great cleaning power, which means for you, you get better results, but also much better value for money. Not only is version 2 more economical, but it's also safer to use on your vehicle. The previous version came in at pH 12, while the new version 2 comes in at pH 10.5, meaning it's safer to use on waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. Now that is everything that you need to know about Bilt Hamber Touchless version 2. Now we want to know from you, have you tried it? Let us know in the comments section, but if you haven't, you can get it on our website at www.justcarcare.co.uk, and we will leave a link in the description. Now thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video.